That shot finding Kevin Walter, who appears to have a score, holds it to the official, pulled incomplete initially. Take another look on the challenge. This is a touchdown. It evens the game at 24, and it set things up in the final seconds. You got to watch this finish here. From the 50-yard line, David Garrard even downfield. Now, Glover Quin looks to bat the ball down, just that, but he does so into the breadbasket of Mike Thomas. Worth another look. Thomas takes it and takes it in for the game-winning score. And that is how the Jaguars have a 31-24 victory.